right. First day of winter arc. I only say that because it was snowing outside my window this morning. But pretty much my goal is to get high quality, just one high quality video. I'm talking Iron Gosling stuff. I think I did better with my camera on this video. The last video, my camera is still kind of messed up. I have no clue what I'm doing. As far as a YouTube equivalent, I don't know. My goal is to get a high quality video by like Christmas, and I'll drop that then. And then after drop the knowledge it takes to produce something like that, I'll figure out how to do that 6 times a day and produce and be like doing this mass upload. But before you do a from what I've learned, before you do a mass upload on your YouTube channel, at least you have the algorithm get used to seeing your content first, or else it's going to think you're a bot. Because even the big creators that do big numbers and everything, they ain't producing quality like that. But I mean, like consistency like that. It's like I'll be uploading videos like it's a TikTok or something. But until then, so pretty much last video predicted it. Call me Nostradamus Twitter handle, but pretty much. Or this is under 20, market goes up. Boom, what you see. Last video, we said that, I said that it was above 673 we're flying. We gapped up overnight. We said that last video, and then pow. Up $10 on the day. On the NASDAQ, so the S&P's up $10 on the day. And I guess you can say the NASDAQ as well. Futures chart, I have no clue why these session breaks won't go away. I have to reach out to support, but we're looking for a bullish setup. So higher low pullback. So let's just say, so we're coming into this resistance level around 68, 69. So we'll just say we open up a bit low right here. We pretty much just want to, that would be a good dip buy. I mean, we even go down here to make it seem like we're going to have a breakup structure, but I'm saying it's pretty good. So like a buy the dip at that around a level like that would be a good risk reward to go long. The reason why I think it would probably not be ideal to just go ahead and buy is because you don't really want to buy at resistance. I haven't marked down supply and demand. I'm just keeping this chart simple until I can find a way to get rid of these damn session breaks that seem to just not go away. I like a chart clean, you know what I'm saying? It's just we want to buy where there was reward, and then in the last video we pointed out where there will be reward that happened overnight. We had that massive rally. You want to buy low and sell high so you can get good entries. And the reason why a lot of people they get stopped down of their order, they get stopped out all the time, and all this is simply because they're just buying at the wrong time. You want to buy where there's fear. You want to buy when there's fear in the bull market, and then sell when there's greed. So here was greed, here was the fear, and you see how it just rinse repeat. And that's why we make higher highs and higher lows. Now I think in here is I'll say if you're trying to end the year with making a lot of money, let's see. I have not yet set on Bitcoin. Set your stop loss right there. Swing all time high. And then say Merry Christmas. I do believe that there's a lot of interest. There's a lot of demand. There's a lot of orders sitting here. There's a lot of stop losses, and there's a lot of people that bought over here. And I think this lines up to an incredible play, even though if you missed out down here. So if you're a trader, I'm saying if you set your stop loss to below 105, I'll say even a little bit 104, you have a lot of, this is why I'm saying the risk is small and the reward is great. And right now everyone on Twitter is saying, the top is in the Bitcoin. They might be right, but I think it's highly unlikely for the S&P and the NASDAQ to be flying while Bitcoin is just staying stagnant. And if you know Bitcoin be up 10 grand within a single day, and it can also be down 10 grand in a single day. But ideally until then. And I'll say I want to add more to the video to make it a little bit longer. I think about 5 minutes in. Uh, let's see what else I can talk about. I mean, we could talk about strategy and everything else, but I think that deserves a higher quality video so it can attract more people. Because I'm not even putting a thumbnail on this. I'm just doing that. I'm just posting this just to so my YouTube algorithm can get used to seeing me. That's it. So I think since I have nothing else to add, I'll leave it off right here. I'll post this in the Discord community. It's currently closed. I'll probably open it up when I understand video editing a lot better, because right now I have no clue what I'm doing as far as YouTube equipment. So here we are, and that is it.